Hi guys, welcome to AgriWatch. Today, 10th November, moving on to today's news. Pepper price dip following breach in import regulation. The import of Sri Lankan pepper, which has market rate higher than indigenous pepper. Around 850 tons of pepper has been imported alone in the month of September. The central government has a minimum import price at rupees 500 per kg for imported pepper in order to prevent the crash of price of pepper produced in India. Sri Lankan pepper are imported at a cost more than rupees 500 and government permit for pepper existing for commercial use and for importing as value addition. In India, cost per kg of garbled pepper is rupees 400. Moving on to the next news. Soon drones to pest attacks in Areca plantation. We all know the Central Plantation Crops Research Institute located at Kasaragod, which is working on a project to use drones to spray fungicides on areca plantation, is planning to use these drones for identifying pests and disease too. Drones will use artificial intelligence technology to identify pests and disease in plantations. And artificial intelligence can be used in identifying these pests and diseases. The farmers will find it difficult to identify the exact plant, especially if it is raining. The problem gets compounded by the lack of skilled labor in areca plantation, and farmers are unable to take up spraying at the right time. The delay in spraying leads to the disease spreading in the plantation. Drones can identify the exact plant where the disease has started and it can spray the fungicide on the particular plant. Moving on to the next news, it's Indian works through light on domestication of rice. Bengaluru scientists identified a tiny molecule that helped white grass transform into rice. The National Center for Biological Science in Bengaluru found that the sacrifice made by this biomolecule, a molecular regulator, would have been critical in transforming semi-aquatic plants, the wild relative of domesticated rice, into plants bearing abundant grains. Certain regulatory molecules named small RNAs might have also be contributed to domestication associated changes. The small RNAs are tiny messenger molecules that dictate which genes can make proteins as well as when and where this with the organism. And the rice varieties, they compared small RNAs found in high yielding rice varieties with those in hundreds of land races and their wild progenitors. Their work helped them zero in one particular class of small RNA called MIR97. They found that while MIR397 was abundantly present in the wild rice varieties, their levels were barely detectable in cultivated varieties, including the traditional ones. The scientists revealed that MIR397 is responsible for silencing members of a gene family called the lactase that are key for producing lignin, the woody tissue which provides mechanical strength to plant stem, helping them bear more grains. As a next step, the scientists introduced the gene responsible for the expression of MAR397 in domesticated rice plants. The progeny plants were more similar to their wilder cousins. The important finding of their study is that when rice accumulated increased level of lignin, it gives additional strength to the plant to bear more grains. Their findings gives an opportunity to breeders to efficiently improve the rice yield by reducing MIR 397 or by elevating lactase levels. More importantly, these have given us good molecular markers for breeding high yielding varieties. That's all today's news. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get notified for every update. Thank you for watching my video.